Look at this place. This place is popping. La, la. They have a really old tram here. The oldest tram in all of Africa. Look at this thing. Hey. What? I don't understand you. Oh, look at this. The buildings here are so beautiful. God, I love winter in Egypt. Hello. From Alexandria. So we are heading to the Serapeum or Serapeum. Dang, look at this road. It's like, please ruin your tires. It is 10:15 in the morning and so quiet here compared to Cairo at 10. هيدا أخويا. Yeah, these are the streets of Alexandria. Driving around Alexandria brings back memories of my last time here and the impossible roads. Oh my God, see what the what was that? Am I going the wrong way? Hey there. Oh, I need to look at the directions further ahead. This is not where I want to be. Talking about the crazy roads, and as soon as I say that, like, I get rerouted or take the wrong turn. Now what? Can I go this way? No, that's gonna, I think that's still gonna bring me not where I want to be. I don't know. Maybe I should listen to the Google Maps. I can't decide what I'm doing. Oh, now it really wants me to go a long way around. I need to stop and see where exactly it's trying to have me go. Oh, yeah, let's just follow that road. So, I guess I could be riding and talking about Alexandria. They have a really old tram here that I'm going to be riding as well. I never rode it before. I've seen it pass, I've known about it, but I've never taken a ride on it. And it's the oldest tram in all of Africa from like 1860. God, I love winter in Egypt. And it's a little bit cooler here in Alexandria than it is in Cairo, because it's further north and it's near the sea. Look at this place. This place is popping. What is it? I don't know. Alright, let's see if this goes through. Takes us where we need to go. Looks like a straight shot for a long ways. It's like easy driving here. I don't know why. Like, is it any crazier than Cairo? I don't think so. Or, I mean, maybe, I don't know. I thought it was similar, but at least on these streets. It's maybe it's early morning. I don't know. I'm like feeling like so easy. Don't even have to think. That motorcycle definitely cut his way through. Yeah? Is that how you feel about it? I should probably pay attention. Where do I go next? Looks like I have to go straight. Oh, that's not something I love. Because there are lots and lots of, oh, see, this is perfect timing though, having cars go through. Taxi, go. There's a lot of manholes on the streets here though. I guess because of the sea and there's more, I don't know what's up with that, but I don't feel like I see that many in Cairo. Having to avoid a lot here. It's like a random possible fact. Oh, you know. Taxi. Ada, what's happening here? Oh, look at this. The buildings here are so beautiful. Be on the side, maybe too many pedestrians. Oh, manhole. Which is the best way to get through here? This way. I hope this is come on, an interesting drive for you. Not talking much because I'm just enjoying it and I don't have anything to say anyhow other than it's a nice ride. Next left, it seems. Thought. I'll stay behind this guy smoking. This is what I don't like about Alexandria's roads, is these tram tracks that are not nice to go over. Oh, come on, bro. Oh, and the actual tram is here. So now what? Damn, you could be like that guy. Or you can be like me. Yeah, it's a functioning tram track that also just has cars running through it. Wow, this guy is skilled at driving on these shitty tracks. It's not only, I mean, like, feels bad for the tires, but it's like hard to keep the balance or like steer, you know? I feel like I'm slipping and sliding on it. See myself in the mirror. Okay, so I see a road that I must go ahead, but I don't actually see a road that goes ahead. There's a church or a mosque. I think it's a mosque. There. Come on. So I have to go around it. Maybe it's not as hard to drive over those things as I think. Hey! Hey! What? I don't understand you. When someone tries to stop you, just start speaking English. Activity to right? That's not what he was saying. Hey, it's the old tram. Look at this thing. Still in use. Are you gonna go or should I? I got the old tram following me. Oh my god, these roads are f***ed up and I gotta go left. Do I need to go left? Is that even a possibility? Yeah. Yes, this is what I remember, driving on the tracks and being like, how is a... I don't even know if I'm like on the right side of the street here. I'm not supposed to be on this side of the street. Does it matter which side of the street you're on? No, that guy's driving down it. His car. Oh, anyways, okay, so we're getting close to the Serapeum. It's like you need to just keep on second gear, first gear with these roads. Maybe I spoke too soon when I said it was chill. That road was chill. لا لا. Whatever they're saying, offering, trying to sell me, I don't want it. Park your bike here. Like, why? No thanks. Oh, an old mosque. Market selling some clothes. Kind of want to go through that. Anyways, we're supposed to be at the Serapeum. Is this true? I'm just questioning it all. Where the hell am I? If this is accurate, this is not the entrance, that's for sure. Entrance must be on the other side. I see tour buses, so now this must be the area. عايز اروح هنا. اركن المكنة هنا؟ تمام، شكرا. تمام، شكرا. اهلا. هنا؟ تمام، شكرا.